Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial we will create hologram effect in easy method. It may be any software, but learn how to create it in other software using these easy methods. Let us jump right into our timeline. This is our first video in which I am just making some action of scrolling and tapping. This is the recorded video. Let me delete the audio part, it's not required. Resize its scale properly. We will going to synchronize this recorded video with the first video. We will cut this portion so that we will start it from here. Let me add the crop effect for this recording video. And crop the bottom part as well as top part as much as you need. Now add the basic 3D effect for recorded video. Then, in this effect, swivel will change it to 140 degree. Let me change its position and scale accordingly. You can see both the video are not synchronized. We'll do it later. Before going further, let us add the color balance RGB. Red will set it to 10%, green set it to 100. In addition, blue set it to 200%. Alternatively, you can change it as per your choice. Now add the wave warp effect. Wave type, change it to square. Wave height, change it to 2. And wave width to 4%. Direction will change it to 180 degree. Hope you can see the warp effect here. Now let me synchronize this recorded video with this action video, which is our first video. By making the video speed and slow, we'll synchronize it according to the action. I am forwarding this part to reduce the duration. Let me make some change here. The blend of this footage, let's change it to multiply. You can see here changing the blend mode to the multiply. You can see here the finger on other side of touching the screen. If you make it normal, you cannot see my finger. However, it does not looks good to me, so I am changing all these footage into multiply. Moreover, let me continue by synchronizing the video as earlier we were on it. Again, I am speeding up this part. Finally done with the synchronizing. Let me give some animation. At somewhere here give the keyframe for scale and position, and as well for opacity too. Move few frames forward and again give the keyframe here. For starting frame, let me make some changes. Select these keyframes and make it easy in, so that our animation looks smooth. Change the speed graph as you do it in After Effects. Click on this arrow, then hold these keys and drag it like this. Make the same thing as we did for position keyframes. Let me move these keyframes somewhere here. Now add the directional blur so that looks good. According the keyframes as we given for scale and position, we'll give the keyframe to this directional blur effect. Blur effect, let me keep it to 25%. At this part we'll give the keyframe. Make it 0%. And again at this part, increase its value to 25%. We'll change it to 50%. Looks good. Same thing will make it to last footage as opposite of this animation. I want this to animate when I touch the screen, so let me extend this footage by dragging it and then move this keyframes here. Finally, let me add some glow effect to this. Change the start color and end color as per your need. Keep the glow effect according requirement. Copy and paste this effect to the recorded footage if not applied. Finally, let me make changes here. As soon as I tap on screen, I want this hologram effect to animate, so let me bring these keyframes close. When I taps on the screen, just place it over there. Looks fine. You can add the sound effects to give the cinematic effect. Here I am just showing the demo. You can create it more effective by using some techniques. Let me watch the preview. Superb! I hope this video find you helpful. If you likes this video, Please give the thumbs up and subscribe my video. We'll see you on next video. Until have a nice day.